Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Thumbtack app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you need services done. How do you actually go ahead and use Thumbtack? So the first thing that you want to do is go ahead and install it, and this is what your homepage looks like. You can browse by activity based on TV mounting, home organizing, plumbing and drain repair, and if you click on show more, let's decide that we need duct and vent cleaning. Next, you want to go ahead and enter your zip code, then click on submit, and then you want to go ahead and decide what type of vent duct you need cleaning. And so with this, just simply go ahead and select all these on-screen prompts that best suit your description. Afterwards, click on all that. It's going to show you a variety of different hires. And so with these hires, you can actually go ahead and click on one of them. And then in order to request an estimate, you just click on request an estimate and there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and use the Thumbtack app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.